for dear subscribers today I'll tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if microphone not working on your Instagram when you're using Instagram, so how you can fix it. So first thing, you need to open settings, just find your Instagram and just check if you turn on here near your microphone. You need to enable this option. So after, just try to go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so just try to update your Instagram app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, just write in search tab Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully update your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.